We're going to use some acrylic blue, some black blue Angelus, and we're going to tape the shoes properly. Then we're going to cut any excess that's there, just to make sure that we have an accurate cut and everything is where it's supposed to be. And this is the finished product. Now we're ready. We're going to splash them now. Oh, I forgot. We have to make sure that we cover the sole. And there you go. We're splashing, splashing, splashing. And we put the black coat first. Then now we're going to put the blue coat. This is what it looks like with the blue. And we're going to keep splashing until we cover a good significant amount of the exposed part of the shoes. And there it is with the blue and black splashed. And everywhere we apply all the shoes, and this is the finished product. We are removing the paper. Let's do the sides first, and we're doing the bottom now. And yep, this is it. And here we are. It's the finished product. This is what it looks like. This was the Nike Air Force One LV 07. Boom.